YouTube, I'm Crystal from Crystal Sews and Stuff on Instagram, and today I wanted to share with you my makes for the upcycle project that I did for the upcycle contest on patternreview.com. So for this project, I took apart a bridesmaid's dress that I've had for close to 11 years because I was like, wait a minute, it was the same time I went to the wedding right after my son was born, and I upcycled this bridesmaid's dress right here, and so the dress was way too big. I hadn't worn it in 11 years. I got fitted for that dress when I was like 4 or 5 months pregnant with my oldest son, and so boobs were bigger, and it worked out so because when I was nursing after, it still ended up fitting, but it's way too big now, and I've never worn it again because, you know, bridesmaids dresses are generally just a one kind of shot deal. So I said for this project I'll use the fabric from that to make an outfit. So the two things that I made were this OGDEN cami that I'm wearing right now, as well as these shorts. These are the OCEANSIDE shorts from Blank Slate Patterns. And I was able to I wanted to make the pants version, but I didn't have quite enough fabric, so I made the shorts version. I was still able to get the pockets, and I used these cute little buttons. Can you focus? These buttons that I picked up from Joann Fabrics to give it a little sparkle. And so they'll be like dress up party evening shorts. They're a little bit wrinkly, but yeah, I really love how they turned out. And I'll insert a picture of me wearing them right here, the whole outfit. So this was a really fun make, and here's a clip of my process right here. So that's it, and so that's it for my review. I tried to make it. The dress was cut on the bias, so I kept it on the bias. Because I've only done one other refashion before, and that was a men's shirt that I cut off. And I did that for the Pin It Sew It Challenge last year. I'll put a picture of it here. And that was a men's shirt that I transformed. I just cut it off on an angle and tied it under, and I made it an off-shoulder top. So that was the only other refashion that I've made. But this is a more extensive refashion that I did for this contest. And it was really fun. And now this has motivated me to try to go back through some of my projects and try to use the fabric from some projects that didn't go quite the way I wanted to, or things that I'm not wearing that much, and see if I could get something out of it, because I know I could probably at least get this OGDEN cami, because this only takes about a little over a yard of fabric. So I definitely want to make more OGDEN camis out of some projects that I've made that I made when I was a beginning sewer, or that I didn't complete, but I probably have enough fabric for. That's my review. So this is my entry for the upcycle project. on patternreview.com. I'll leave a link to the gallery below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.